What's up, everybody? So you want to see how your customers are going to register when they come to your terminal. They'll first be presented with your brand and then options for which language they choose. In this example, we'll choose English and click Start. Then we'll click Get a New Card. We'll put in our information. For this illustration will be Kim White. Then, most importantly, we'll put in our phone number. This ties their account to their personal cell phone number, so if they ever need to replace a lost card, they can do so. Put in their zip code so we know where they're coming from. Then click Next. We'll verify that their information's right. Your customer will look that over, hit Submit. Now to ask them to add funds. They can add funds with cash or credit. For this example, we're going to use cash. So we'll click Finish. Their card comes out. The screen lets them know that the card is reusable, reloadable, and non-refundable, and that 75 cents is charged if they ever have to replace their card. And then they take this card and simply tap at each washer and dryer to start their laundry.